Okay, I guess we can start now. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Alam Mirtazwar, Diploma of Computing Department in Information Technology. Currently working as an intern in COMNET Unisel. And our today's topic of event is WordPress hosting, basically. So our sir is one, director of COMNET, has sent us a welcoming speech for the event WordPress. So we shall start with that.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Thank you very much to the organizer and our beloved instructor, Mr. Tazwalam, and all of our participants. Thank you very much to join this event. First of all, I would like to thanks very much to our brother Mr. Tazwa give a beautiful idea and organize a very good event to make sure we can do a lot of technology to make it easy to our community. So I hope this event using WordPress can be useful, especially for our all participants, maybe suitable for our businessman or maybe student, the beginner, the newbie to the technologies. So of course now we are in the industrial revolution 4.0, where information is not only at your fingertip but all about our life. Online purchasing, payment using a wallet, digital marketing are widely used. So make sure you take this opportunity and learn WordPress. And in COMNET, Center for Community Engagement, we are encouraged to do some community education focusing on the digital literacy. So I hope this event can give you some overview of how to use WordPress. So inshallah, enjoy your learning, and we see you again in next time. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so as we know, our event is about WordPress. So we need to know first what WordPress is. Then we can go ahead about domain and hosting. So WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system. WordPress as a software is free for you to download and use. However, to use WordPress on the web, you'll need WordPress hosting. You can use freenom for domain and profit hosting for host purposes. So what is a domain? A domain name is an identification scheme that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority, or control within the internet. Domain names are used in various networking contexts and for application-specific naming and addressing purposes. Why do you need a domain for your business? A domain is the web address people use to find your website and business. The right domain is easy to remember, connects with customers, and enhances your brand. Freenom can help you register a domain while providing other helpful online services. So how to get a domain? For first and only domain provider, their mission is to bring people online and help countries develop their digital economy. Using the latest Anycast cloud technology, Freenom guarantees the stability and the performance of all the domains it manages. Now we need to know what is hosting. A web hosting service is the type of internet hosting service that hosts websites for clients. It offers the facilities required for them to create and maintain a site and makes it accessible on the World Wide Web. Companies providing web hosting services are sometimes called web hosts. So if you're looking for a free host, Pro Free Host is a free web hosting company that you can use. So it provides free web hosting for all type of users. The hosting has eye-catching features like unlimited features that usually attract the free users. So after a domain, we need a hosting service, obviously. So you can get from Pro Free Hosting as it provides a lot of features for free. Then the hosting service can be used maximum of 1 year for free. So this is the feature for this hosting service that you can have around 1 year for free. Normally, the other hosting don't provide that long. So I prefer using Pro Free Hosting. So after we're done with the domain and hosting procedure, we can build websites with multiple plugins and more features and free domain from Freenom of our own and hosted by Prefro Hosting. So after we are done with the domain and hosting part, we'll be able to design our own websites with our own free domain. So let's head to our demo clip of hosting WordPress sites for free. Okay, so the first thing we do is go to our browser and we're gonna search for freenom.com. So once we are inside the Freenom website, we're going to sign in just by clicking here. So there's two options for signing in. You can use your Google or your Facebook, or you can just put your email and password here. So I'm gonna use my Google for now. So just choose your account and you'll be signed in. So now click on services and click on register a new domain. Here you'll type the name of your website and click on check availability. Okay, as you can see now, we have different domains here with .tk, .ml, .ga. So we're going to choose the .ml here. Click on get it now. And click on checkout. So here you can select the period option, which is for 3 months, or 4 to 12 months, which is free. After 12 months, you have to pay. So I'm going to choose the free one, 12 months. And click continue. Here, just select I have read and agree to the term and conditions, tick mark, and click on complete order. Once your order has been confirmed, we're going to go to our client area. So just click here. So sometimes it might bug a little bit. So let's go to freenom.com again and click on services, my domains. So you can see our domain has been registered. Now let's go to our hosting service, which is going to be profreehost.com. here, just click on register now. You can use your email right here and just put a password of your own. Once you have registered, just click on create new account. So once you are on this web page, just scroll down and click on custom domain, and you'll type your domain name here. Okay, and before you click on the tick button, we are going to go to our free nom, and in the client area we're going to select manage domain. Click on management tools now, name servers, select use custom name servers, and you have to put the name server here from our hosting service. So the first name server is this one. Just copy and paste it there. This is gonna be our name server 2. This is the 3, and this is the 4. Okay, 4 is enough, and click on change name servers. Okay, so the changes are saved successfully. Now go to your Pro Free Hosting again and click on the tick button. So once you are taken to this web page, we'll have to wait for a while. As you can see, our site is being created. Okay, so after a while, just refresh your page. And as we can see, our site has been created. So now we're gonna go to the manage here. Click on control panel. We have to wait for a while. Click on I approve, and you'll be taken to the C panel. Now scroll down, and we're going to look for Softaculous Apps Installer. So it's in the software section. Just click on it. Click on install. Here you can change your site name. So my site name is going to be eReal Estate BD. Site description, my eReal Estate website. Okay, so we have to choose an admin username and password. Choose your email. Choose a theme if you'd like, or you can choose that later as well, but for now I'm gonna just select a demo and click on install. So we have to wait for a while till the WordPress is installed. And finally, our website has been published. So this is the URL. You can just open it. So now as you can see, we are inside the WordPress. Here you can play around with the plugins. You can create pages. You have media, everything you can do normally with an WordPress site. So let's see um, what what's in there if we visit our website. So as you can see, our website has been published. This is the theme that we chose. You can just design it yourself. Here's the post, the media pages. You can install plugins. Here, there's few stock plugins installed. You can search and add new plugins as well. You can add users, like everything a WordPress site can do basically. So this is how you can host a WordPress website using Freenom and Pro Free Hosting. Okay, so this was our demo clip for hosting. So I'll take you to the Freenom again, just to show the web page. So this is the freenom.com website, where we basically registered for the domain, and for hosting we used the Pro Free host. Here, profreehost.com. So once you go to the web page, you'll see all the features that it provides. For example, unlimited disk space, bandwidth, SQL database, easy control panel, which is the cPanel basically. Then the website builder itself, it's free, no hidden cost, free subdomains, and so many more. So we already showed the procedure, how to register. You can use this site for hosting. There's also other hosting sites, but I prefer Pro Free Hosting and Freenom, because like the domain is very small. So for example, normally if you host in 000, it's gonna be like something like erealstedbd.000webhost.com. It's gonna be something like this, but if we use Freenom, it's going to be just erealstatebd.ml. This is how small and simple it is. So as you can see, our web page is already published. I didn't customize it yet. You can use any plugins. You can post any stuff, anything. You can basically customize WordPress for free, and with a free domain and host using Freenom and Pro Free Host. So that's basically how you host using Freenom and Pro Free Host. This is my personal opinion for using the services. You can use other web services as well, but I think it's going to be more expensive. So if you see 000 web host, and these are good services as well, but these are a bit more expensive, as you can see. For example, $0 for only 300 megabytes of disk space, but where Pro Free Host has unlimited disk space here. So I personally prefer Pro Free Host. So basically, that's all for today. That's how you know how to host, just to give you the basic concept idea for WordPress hosting. Thank you for participating. Hope to see you in other events as well. Thank you.